Hello, Dan from Purely Website here with another video. Today we're going to be going over DNS management, the DNS tools that we provide as part of our domain name registration services and our hosting account services. So here we are logged into our client area. We currently have one domain name registered in our user. Clicking that will show the domain name. We'll select that again. We'll go over the name server options first of all. We can get to those by clicking name servers in the left sidebar here. We have 4 different options. We'll go through them individually. So at the top here we have the Purely Website Inclusive DNS. This is our managed DNS service, which we'll be showing you in just a moment. We also have cp.purely.website, which is Purely Website web hosting. You would use this option if you have a hosting account with us and your domain is registered with us. Simply select that. And we have our Pipe 10 legacy web hosting. So if you are a legacy customer using our legacy platform, selecting that will set the correct name servers for you. If you have web hosting elsewhere, you can also click Use Custom Name Servers, and you can enter those below. We're going to leave everything as it is for now, and let's click on Manage DNS. So this will take you to your DNS manager. Let's add a zone, and we will select our domain name. It automatically gets filled in to the DNS zone name text box, so you don't need to enter that yourself. In DNS record sets, we have a few sets here for you. We have the empty record set, which is just a blank records set for you to add any custom records that you need. We also have a few to get you started. So we have the Purely Website URL forwarding. If you're using our URL forwarding, which we'll cover in a different video, you just select this and it will set up the DNS for you. If you're using Google Workspace, you can select the Google Workspace MX records sets, and that will set those up for you. We also have Ox App Suite and Spam Experts, which we'll also be covering in a different video. So for now, let's click on Google Workspace MS Records and confirm. This will automatically create the zone for us and add in Google's records. So we can see the zone has been created. Click on the pencil icon to edit the zone. And here we can see we have all of the records that Google would ask you to set up if you're using their email service. If you also have a website, you can click on Add Record. You can create every record you need, such as an A record. You could enter the name if it is a subdomain, or you can just add an @ symbol for the root of your domain. And here you would enter your IP address given to you by your hosting provider. We go back up to domains. In order for these to take effect, we will obviously need to change the name servers. We'll go back into our name servers and we'll click Inclusive DNS and we'll hit change. And just like that, as soon as propagation has taken place, which normally takes an hour or 2, those records will be added. So if you have a Purely Website hosting account with us, you would simply select Purely Website Hosting, hit change name servers, and those name servers would be set. To manage your DNS would be in your control panel. To get here, you simply click on Domains, select the domain, and scroll down. And these are all the records that our control panel would automatically set for you. So under normal circumstances, you don't need to edit these. There's a couple of pages. You can toggle the advanced editor if you need to edit your SOA. Typically, we don't recommend doing this unless directed by our support. So we can toggle that off. And just like our inclusive DNS service, we can hit Add Record. You can add any of the records that you need. The host and the IP address. For the purpose of this demo, we won't do that. If you'd like to change a record, simply click on it. You can change the IP address, save that, and that is instantly applied for you. So I think that covers everything with DNS basics for Purely Website. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below or contact us through our website. See you in the next one.